Welcome, I'm Paul Oster, the nation's credit repairman, and here's today's credit tip brought to you by the folks at Better Qualified. As a certified FICO Pro, I'm often asked, Paul, what's the fastest and easiest way to raise my credit scores? Well, there's really no fast or easy way to do it, but one way that you can get a significant jump in your scores is by paying down your credit card balances. This is called your utilization ratio, and it deals with the balances to credit limits. So for example, if you had a credit card with a $1,000 credit limit, you would never want to be over $300 in balances. That's 30%. Most people think it's 50%. If you're carrying balances at about 50% of your credit limits, that's a good thing. It's better than maxing them out. But if you want to see a significant jump in your credit scores, you have to pay those balances down below 30%. Fair Isaac Corporation, that's where we get our FICO scores from, actually have a designation of high achievers, and that's for folks that pay those balances down below 10%. So again, one of the fastest, easiest ways to get a jump in your credit scores is to pay down those credit card balances below 30%. This is today's credit tip brought to you by Better Qualified.